Hello, my name is Yogi, better than the average bear, and today I will be going to the July 4th fireworks in Washington, D.C. When I get to Washington, D.C., there will be the mandatory huge fucking line of 500,000 niggers, wiggers, beaners, rednecks, Mexicans, French, Chinese, Japanese, Indians, British, Germans, Russians, Africans, homophobes, Canadians, and many other non-Americans and Americans trying to get into the concert several hours before it starts. After what seems like 235 years but is really only a half an second, I will start masturbating like and once I get my cock to my bear-sized 1,000-mile long size, I will start raping the crowd like a Why are there so many people who are not Americans at the 4th of July concert? Yogi Bear 69s was there. I still got to see the fireworks over the Washington Monument. Group Pickles will be going to the west lawn of the Capitol to rape the people at the concert and the performers. That video was super swell, but this video is similar to that one yet different. Yogi Bear and Group Pickles are friends again regardless of what anyone says. I am uploading this video in the 5th of July like Pulpit Michael Steele would. I miss that swell faggot Pulpit in the Daily Show. Can Michael Steele run for Congress or become RNC chairman again? Hope I'm not raping any women, but there is bound to be some in this 500,000 crowd, so I will knock them out like smack. This video will be very swell and super long. Breaking the fourth wall. This rape scene has gone on long enough. And since all the men are turned gay and all the women are knocked out, so it's time for my cum I said it bag that was swell. After the line is raped, I will get to the security checkpoint and see 100 of those mandatory 9,000-pound nigger security guards. One of them will ask me, "What the fuck are you doing here, and why did you rape all the males in the crowd and kill all the females with your penis?" And I will ask, "Why the fuck are there 100 security guards here?" And he will say that it is the National Mall, so there have to be a lot of security guards here to prevent people like you getting in. So can I see what you got in your head and tie? And instead, I will take off all my clothes so that my bear-sized 1,000-mile-long cock is out in the open, and the security guard will tell me to put my penis away, and I will say that I am Yogi, better than the average bear and Group Pickles, and I will turn the National Mall into the National Swell, and the security guard will ask where is Group Pickles, and I will say that he is on the other side of the mall waiting for me to rape the people over here, and then the security guard will call me a sick fuck, so I will say the world famous line in Group Pickles goes to videos, but this is a Yogi Bear goes to video, but the line is still the same. I will show you the true definition of a sick fuck and then I will rate him and the other 99 security guards like a Why did only one of the security guards talk in this entire segment? The other 99 security guards will be turned gay as well or I hate Washington, D.C. because of all the 9,000-pound security guards here. Yogi Bear 69s likes it here, but he is not Yogi Bear than the average bear. Why the fuck is this video word for word of the group Pickles goes to video or it doesn't matter because they both will be flagged. But Yogi and Drew are doing similar things but on different parts of the mall. Drew is raping the Capitol 4th, while I am raping the fireworks viewers. Group Pickles is not crazy enough to shove fireworks up his ass. As Dildas, so I am over here helping him. I should get back to raping the security guards. I think they are already gay, but just to make sure I will come in their assholes like swa 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 Noise I said it's bag that was swell. Now I will get past the security guard checkpoint and enter the Washington Monument. Since I will be the only one left on this side of the mall, I will be able to do whatever I want, so I will start shutting the Washington Monument up my ass like a dildo, like and then I will jump in the reflecting pool and light up the fireworks, since I raped all the servicemen that were supposed to light the fireworks and then shove them in my ass like Dildas, like Then all of a sudden the fat-ass manager will come out of his office and say, "What the fuck are you doing here shutting lit fireworks up your ass and then launching them in the air, and do you know that this is being aired nationwide in public television and you just shoved all the fireworks that we were going to launch up your ass?" I will tell him that I am turning the National Mall 4th of July celebration into the National Swell 4th of July celebration, and I am joined in the other end of this mall by Group Pickles, who has successfully raped all the performers of a Capitol 4th, and the manager will tell me that who is Group Pickles and who are you, and I will tell him that Group Pickles is the gayest and most homosexual man and organism in the universe, the head of the Barney Bunch, and my butt buddy, and I am Yogi Bear than the average bear, and the second most gayest organism in the universe, and I am going to rape you and turn you gay. After a fourth wall breaking conversation, and then the manager will tell me to forget the fourth wall breaking conversation, and he will get right to calling me a sick fuck, so I will say I will show you the true definition of a sick fuck, and I will rate him like a I am doing my part in raping this side of the mall, and I am happy that Drew did his part too. The Washington Monument looks like a penis. Peter Griffin said so. I used the Washington Monument as a dial going that was super swell. I see the penis sculpture where the Capitol Dome used to be, so I know Drew was there. It's time to come in the manager I said it's bag that was swell. Oh my god, this was fagaliciously but fucking patriotically conjuring dildos. Shutting this video will probably be flagged by Tea Party douchebags and Spider-Man Marfam or that other Buttford faggot Degrassi Shane girl swell. I think I will go to the Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool to see the 4th of July concert now. Goodbye, Bug Pirates.